Hey girl, so you start in September, you'll do your LPC for 6 months, and then the remaining 6 months will be dedicated to your master's and your dissertation. In February, they'll ask you to submit a proposal. So it will be the title of your dissertation, the topic, the areas of law that will be included, and then what kind of argument you're trying to portray within your dissertation. So I personally picked something that I'd never done before. I'd never studied it, but I did discrimination and bias in artificial intelligence. I was lucky enough to have access to previous lectures because one of my friends did data protection within her previous years. There's a lot of research involved. So I would say pick a topic or have a topic in mind that you want to do now. And also possibly I took the opportunity in my LPC and the dissertation to pick a topic that I could go forward to a law firm or to a company in future and say, I studied this, I had never studied it before. It's something that's evolving in the world always. Artificial intelligence is literally everywhere. A lot of people do very similar topics, so just try and stand out in the topic that you choose. And then so your supervisor will contact you just to let you know who they are, introduce themselves. I mean, mine contacted me. I messaged back and said, when do you think I should start? He said as soon as possible, but I had exams at the time, so obviously I didn't start. And then I never spoke to him again. I didn't submit a draft to him. I didn't do anything. I could have reached out, but I started my disso quite late. So I didn't have any contact with him, but that's completely at your discretion whether you want someone to speak to. I had like my family read through certain drafts and things like that. But that's the process really. There's no lectures or anything on your dissertation or your master's. They'll give you a couple of sessions on plagiarism. They'll advise you on the type of topics that are common, and they might suggest that you do a topic that you've already done within your LPC, just because it will be fresh in your mind. But other than that, there's no learning. It's literally self-taught from that point onwards after the couple of lectures. So just have a topic in mind, be prepared to do a lot of work on your own, and pick a topic that you're passionate about, because it always reflects in your work when you really care about what you're talking about. And best of luck. You're going to smash it. If you've got any more questions, let me know.